Who was John Wilkes Booth? By Jennifer Johnson. John Wilkes Booth is a well-known villain, yet he expected to be a hero. Why did this man shoot President Lincoln? Why did he expect the public to thank him? The answers lie in the Civil War. On April 9, 1865, General Lee surrendered. Booth was upset. He could not accept the South's loss. He shot Lincoln 5 days later. Booth grew up in Maryland. Booth did not fight in the Civil War, but he strongly supported the Confederacy. He was proud of his roots. He loved the Southern way of life. Booth also supported slavery. When Lincoln freed the slaves, Booth was furious. He saw that act as an insult to the South. In 1865, the South was in ruins. Booth blamed Lincoln. He wanted to punish the president. He killed Lincoln to get revenge. Booth felt sure that the South would praise him. He even felt he might inspire people. He thought they might rise to fight again. That did not happen. Many Southerners disliked Lincoln, but the South did not rise again, and the public remembers Lincoln, not Booth, as a hero.